Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my January 2021 BOXYCHARM base box unboxing. I always get so excited to get my BOXYCHARM and it's got some weight to it this month. I feel like it's a pretty small box, but it's kind of heavy. So I'm really excited to see what I got. So this is the $25 a month beauty subscription service. I also am signed up for the BOXYCHARM Premium Box, which is $35, but I don't even think that has shipped yet. But this came pretty early in the month. I'm pretty happy with the timing. Let's hope I'm happy with the products. So the theme is Fresh Start. Love that for the new year. I also love that I have product information here. And so let's see what I've got. So first, I'm going to pull out, this is from the brand Balm. So right away, starting off with a brand that I've never heard of before, and I love trying out new makeup brands. This is the Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. I also love lip balms for my super dry lips. It says it's bee friendly, made in the USA. Let's see. Ooh, I like the squeezy tube applicator. I'm so excited to try this. So I'll be trying this out. Ooh, and I got a nice smell just from opening that. Ooh. I have a series on my YouTube channel where I try out a new makeup product every day. So I'm going to be doing a full dedicated review video on this product very soon. And I'll do that for all of the makeup products I get in BOXYCHARM and my Ipsy boxes that I'll get for the month. So if there's any products that you're extra interested in seeing me do reviews on, just let me know in the comments down below so that I can do those products first. And so the Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm has a retail value of $33. Oh my gosh, that's definitely the most expensive lip balm I've ever tried. But that's pretty cool and exciting. That's more than the price of this box. Next up I have from the brand Pure, which I love the brand Pure. This is the 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. I got this in the shade LN2. Ooh, it has SPF 20. I'm really excited about this because I love complexion products. I love foundation type products. And I've also tried out a Pure, it might have been a 4-in-1 foundation powder that I really loved, but I'm really excited to try this tinted moisturizer. Retail value of $35. It says it's an all-in-one sunscreen, moisturizer, primer, and foundation. That's great. Save some time and money that way. Next, ooh, this is what's heavy. It was probably adding to the weight of my box. This is from the brand Pharmacy. It's the Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner with moringa and papaya. You know, the brand Pharmacy makes really great skincare, and I am getting low on my current toner, so I'm actually really glad to get another toner. Seems like really nice packaging, glass, and pore cleaning is exactly what my skin needs. It's paraben-free, formaldehyde, donor-free, synthetic fragrance-free, phthalate-free, mineral oil-free, and cruelty-free. And the Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner has a retail value of $28. Next up, I at first thought this was another product from the brand Pharmacy, just looking at the packaging. But no, this is from the brand Seraphine Botanicals, which is another brand that I really love. And this is their Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. I saw this on the BOXYCHARM website and I was hoping I would get it because I love this brand and I love lip masks. Oh, I'm so excited. BOXYCHARM knows me well, sending me this. And this has a retail value of $25. That still seems to me pretty expensive for basically a lip balm, but my other lip balm I got from Balm is even more expensive. Crazy. 2 lip balms, but I do love lip products. And then my fifth and final product in here is from Ciate London, which I it's like a joke now. I always get a product from Ciate London in either Ipsy or BOXYCHARM every month, but I am not mad about that. I have been loving my Ciate London products, and this here is the Velvet palette. I'm excited to have another Ciate London eyeshadow palette because I love their eyeshadows. Let's see what this looks like. Love the packaging. Yes, oh my gosh. This is exactly the type of palette that I am so drawn to. Lots of shimmer, warm tones, neutrals, but then still pops of color. Love a big mirror. And there's 12 shades in here. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this palette. Yay, I'm actually so excited about this whole box. Wow, BOXYCHARM starting the year off really well with this box. But so the Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette has a retail value of $30. So everything in this box is the same or more than the price of the box alone. And so I'll do a quick recap of everything I got, and then I'll let you know my total retail value. So I got the Pharmacy Toner, the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer, the Seraphine Botanicals Glow Lip Mask, the Balm Lip Balm, and the Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette, all for a retail value of $151, which I feel like that is a lot of value. And I am seriously excited about every single product that I got. I got such a great mix of products. I got the types of products that I love. I got from brands that I love and one new brand that I'm excited to try out. So it's pretty much everything I could ask for in a subscription box. I am so happy and so excited to try these products out. That's what's really gonna make or break this box, is how good these products actually perform. But my first impression is I'm so happy with this. So far, my only other BOXYCHARM Ipsy subscription that I got so far for the month of January was my Ipsy Glam Bag, and I really was not super impressed by that. So far, BOXYCHARM is winning in my opinion for the month, but we'll see. I still have my Ipsy Plus and my BOXYCHARM Premium to get here hopefully soon. But I'll be doing my unboxings of those as soon as they get here. So if you like those videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.